Did you know you can create a complete monthly attendance sheet in just a few minutes using AI? You don't need to design the table or think about formulas yourself. Let's see how easy it is. First, open ChatGPT and simply describe the table you want. I am asking AI to create a monthly attendance sheet for 10 students. 10 student name, all date of month, present, absent, and attendance percentage. AI instantly gives us a complete structure. We have student names, all date of month, and separate columns for present, absent, and attendance percentage. Then download. Now copy the table and paste it into Excel. In just a few seconds, our basic attendance sheet is ready. To automatically count how many days a student was present, use the COUNTIF formula. It counts every calls counting the letter P is equal to COUNTIF first bracket total present select C2 AG comma inverted comma present P inverted comma close, then bracket close, then enter. Now drag. For total absent, we use the same COUNTIF function, but this time we count the letter A is equal to COUNTIF bracket select presenter of absent comma first bracket A for absent inverted comma bracket close, then enter. Now see. Finally, divide the present days by the total mark attendance and multiply by 100. This gives you the student attendance percentage automatically. Is equal to COUNTIF bracket select total present and absent comma inverted comma P inverted comma close bracket close divided COUNTA, then select present and absent bracket close into 100, then enter. Finally divided the and our monthly attendance sheet is complete. Instead of monthly design the table and thinking about every formula, AI helped you create the entire structure in minutes. If you want to learn how to create more useful Excel tables with AI, subscribe to AI Compute and follow the next tutorial.